Your hat.
Who the hell would make that?
Someone with a sense of humor, obviously.
Warp? I mean, whatever possession.
Oh, man. It's killing me.
Come on, Don, show your...
Okay, everybody wipe their tears. Goes along with your back.
Oh, my God. Oh, you know that little game to play?
You have to wear that Sunday.
Oh, man.
Oh, God, yes, I will.
Yeah, that'll set the tone.
I think David's bringing his girlfriend. Welcome to the family.
Oh, goodness.
Oh, my God.